Class 10, Chapter 9, Tangents and Secants to a Circle. See, this is tangent and this is secant. A line touching the circle at one point is called tangent. A line touches the circle at two distinct points is called secant. In Hindi, एक लाइन टच हो रहा सर्किल को एक ही पॉइंट में टच हो रहा तो tangent बोलते हैं. ए लाइन टच हो रहा सर्किल को दो पॉइंट्स आए तो उसको secant बोलते हैं. ఒక లైన్ టచ్ అవుతుంది సర్కిల్కు ఒక పాయింటే ఉంటే దాన్ని ట్యాంజెంట్ అంటారు. ఒక లైన్ టచ్ అవుతుంది సర్కిల్కు అప్పుడు రెండు పాయింట్స్ వస్తే దీన్ని సీకెంట్ అంటారు. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1 సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఏ టాంజెంట్ PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 13 cm. Find the length of PQ. Look at the figure. This PQ is the tangent. We should find OP is the radius where OQ is equal to 13 cm given. PQ tangent है, OP radius है, OQ is equal to 13 cm दिए. PQ tangent है, OP is equal radius है 5 cm, OQ is equal 13 cm दिए वहाँ पर. PQ फाइंड आउट करना. OP is equal to radius 5 cm, OQ is equal 13 cm ఇచ్చిండు. PQ కనుక్కోవాలి. PQ tangent, OP is the radius. Now steps to write tangent. This tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Tangent is perpendicular. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at a point of contact. Tangent ये tangent perpendicular रहता है radius को point of contact में. ये tangent ఉన్నది కదా ఇది radius को perpendicular అవుతుంది point of contact లో. Next point PQ is a tangent segment. PQ is a tangent segment. PQ is a tangent segment. And next to OP. PQ is a tangent segment. OP is the radius of the circle. OP is radius of the circle. Here OP is perpendicular. OP is the radius of the circle. Now OP is perpendicular to PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ. Now angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. Angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. See here, OP is perpendicular to PQ. Angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. Now in a triangle OPQ, triangle OPQ. Now in a triangle OPQ, see once. Now in a triangle OPQ, according to Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or else in straight syllabus OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square, or else hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now we'll write OQ square. OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Now OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Here OQ is equal to 13 and OP is equal to 5 and PQ is equal we should find. हम लोग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लेकर प्रूव कर रहे हैं. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम తీసుకొని प्रूव చేస్తున్నాం. OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OQ is equal to 13. OQ is equal to 13. This square as T should write. OP is the radius. OP is equal to 5 square plus PQ square as T is right. Now transposing LHS side to RHS, RHS, LHS. This total LHS, RHS, RHS, LHS will write now. This total will write LHS side. PQ square plus 5 square. ఇది RHS LHS रचना LHS RHS side. LHS RHS side लिख रहे LHS RHS side लिख रहे RHS side क्या LHS side लिख रहे हम 13 square. Now we are writing 13 square RHS side. 13 square क्या है RHS side लिख रहे हम लोग 13 square RHS side रासा PQ square is equals to 13 square. This 5 square you write RHS side plus quantity becomes minus quantity minus 5 square. PQ square is equals to 13 square. Here 13 169. 13 square is equal to 169 minus 5 square 5 5 is 25. Now PQ square is equals to 169 minus 25 144. Here PQ square PQ is equals to 144. The square you write RHS side. What happened? This becomes square root. Now PQ is equals to square root of 144 is 12. Therefore PQ is equals to 12 centimeters. Once I'll explain from here to here. E 5 square plus P square PQ square we are writing LHS side and 13 square we are writing RHS side. Now this 5 square we are writing RHS side. 13 square minus 5 square plus quantity becomes minus quantity. 13 square minus 169. 5 square means 25. 169 minus 25 144. Square root of 144 is 12. In Hindi हम लोग ये 5 square plus PQ square LHS side लिख रहे 13 square RHS side लिख रहे. लिखने के बाद ये 5 स्क्वायर RHS से लिखो प्लस से है ना वो माइनस बन जाता 13 स्क्वायर बोलते 169 5 स्क्वायर बोलते 25 169 में से 25 निकालते 144 स्क्वायर रूट 12 इन तेलुगु ఈ 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ PQ స్క్వేర్ LHS సైడ్ రాసాము 13 స్క్వేర్ RHS సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ రాసాము తర్వాత ఈ 5 స్క్వేర్ RHS సైడ్ రాస్తే ప్లస్ అనేది మైనస్ అవుతుంది 13 స్క్వేర్ 169 5 స్క్వేర్ 25 169 మైనస్ 25 సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 144 square root find out చేస్తే 12 PQ is equals to 12. The tangent PQ is equals to 12. Therefore tangent PQ is equals to 12 centimeters. Tangent PQ is equal to 12 centimeters, hence we proved.